Today in this video I show you how to use Google Translate on WhatsApp chatting on Android. For this you have to install Gboard app in your device. For installing Gboard in your Android device, you have to open Google Play Store. Now search Gboard. Open this app and install it in your device. You will find Gboard app installed in almost every device, but if you don't have it in your device, then simply install Gboard app like this. After installing Gboard, you have to open it. Now you have to complete these steps. Enable Gboard in settings. Turn on this toggle. Click on OK. Now go back and click on select input method. Now click on Gboard. Now go back and open WhatsApp. Now click on keypad. Now as you can see, Google keyboard is showing. Now if I click on this icon and then click on Google Translate icon, click on OK. You can see Google Translate is open. Now I can choose my language or translate from by this detect language. And if I want to change the language in which I want to translate my text, then I will click on this. And after that, I can use Google Translate in WhatsApp translating my text or other person text. After typing or pasting the text you want to translate, click on checkmark icon. And now you can see the text is translated in other language on keyboard. So this is how you can use Google Translate on WhatsApp chatting on Android. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.